Excuse me. Well. It's Emoneyshoes here, back to you with another review. And as you can see, it's not a Jordan box, but a PSA. Next Friday, I'll be giving instructions for my 3K giveaway. So make sure you tune in for that. I'm gonna run it about a week, then I'm gonna do the giveaway. Probably gonna do some React Prestos, 3 pair of shoes for sure. Just not exactly shoes with 3 shoes. Also, next month, you got Who Has the Heat 3 coming through. Shout out to the fam, PMKICKZ. They about to get, I think he should be monetized pretty soon, today or tomorrow. Shout out to MCFLYKOF, who just got monetized today. And if y'all can do me a big favor, go check out the sis. She's trying to reach 500. 313_retro queen. It would be much appreciated. That sis is on the way to her 500. She's gonna do a 500 giveaway. Now, without being further ado, y'all also shout out to the homie Money Run Clothing. Use that code DWYL, get 20% off your order. It's moneyrun.clothing.com or Money Run Clothing on IG. Also, if you're in for that custom work, use your noodles, or you want to do your own brand, check out the homie SNOOCHS Customs. You did. Now back to this review. You got your Nike box here. Got a size men's 7.5, which is a women's 9. So take note of that. If you want to grab a woman's shoe, you always go a size and a half down. So just the retail price, 170 of them things. Official colorway white, dynamic yellow, evergreen, Nike Air Max 97 SE. And you can see your sticker here. This is a GS size. These are my daughters, so you already know. Gotta have the cakey or the kids on point. You can't be dope and your kids not dope. They're just against the rules. So as you can see, got your QC pass up there. Couple with actions, just the retail price, $170. Get that discount, $151. You got shit coming here with this white paper. And it's kind of like the Miami Hurricane color, if you ask me, but I don't think they could, like an evergreen color. So we bag it on up, and we get a mini bump for the GS. No shots at the small feet people, but just don't want to slam it too hard. As you can see, got these Air Max 97s. Very dope shoe, very comfy. You know what I mean? So as you can see underneath the bottom, got that white bottom, got that evergreen, got that yellow hits, and you got like this crimson red running up like through the river. On the toe box, you got leather, a little bit tumble right there. You got white nylon, you got red, and then you got like this yellowish orange. I don't think it's 3M. On the laces, they are white. You got white nylon, you got leather here, but you're stitched in yellow swoosh with the red pull tab here. Coming around on the side, some more of this leather, not leather. You got a little bit of metallic in here, which is dope. Like I said, always dope when you get the stitched in swoosh. Right here is nice as well with the white. And you can see all the white hits inside. So if you're a Miami Hurricanes fan, you definitely love this shoe, or a Florida A&M Rattler. Turning on the back, you got Air Max, which is very dope. Etched in Nike. Coming around on the medial side, same thing, pretty much the same colorway. And you got your stitching here. On this side, you got nylon. Oh yeah, it's nylon on both sides, my bad. And with the stitched in Nike. Inside, you can see you got your green insole. You got your red check with a black, and then around the edge of it with that yellow. And you also got your QC, which comes on all of these shoes now. Production date 1/2/19, 3/16/19. So with that being said, on the Litty Lit meter, I think it's a very fresh colorway. I give it about a 4.5 out of 5. You let me know what you think. I say a 4.5 out of 5. So tell a family member, a friend. We're gonna try to move all the way to this 4K by the end of the year. No, actually we're gonna try to hit 5K by the end of the year. So tell a family member, a friend, you dig.